Tomato Split Pigeon Pea Tortilla wrap, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the taco recipes and one of the most unique of the tortilla wrap recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tortilla recipes and one of the most different of the wheat recipes and one of the most unique of the pea recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes. Today we are going to make split pigeon pea tomato tortilla wrap. Ingredients are 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 25 grams of ginger, 10 shallots, 2 red chillies, 25 grams of garlic, 2 to 3 tomatoes cut into pieces, and 100 grams of split pigeon pea soaked in water for half an hour. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the fennel seeds. Salt, until the smell comes out of the fennel seeds. Now put in the shallots. Salt the shallots. Put the fennel seeds. Saute. Put in the ginger. put in the garlic. Salt, garlic, the rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute and mix. Saute and mix thoroughly until now put in the tomato pieces. Thoroughly saute the tomato pieces to the rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing. Saute and mix thoroughly. Thoroughly saute and mix. Keep on sauteing until the tomatoes and the rest of the ingredients are nicely integrated into each other. Thoroughly saute and mix. And sauteing. Quarter spoon of turmeric powder and 2 red chillies and salt to taste. Mix thoroughly and thoroughly mix with the rest of the mixture. Keep on mixing. Now put in the split pigeon pea. Mix the split pigeon pea, the rest of the mixture. Pour in around 200 degrees of water. Mix and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. Go. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Pour in 3/4 cup of water. Mix and knead so as to make a nice dough. Put it in little pellet. And knead the flour to make a thick and consistent dough. Thoroughly knead the flour. Now let the dough rest for 15 minutes. After making it into a ball, take the dough ball and make it into smaller balls. Roll it in between the palms so as to make it into smaller balls. And keep it aside. Now dust the surface on which we flatten the dough. Take the small dough ball and flatten it into a round shape using the rolling pin. Turn it around and make it into a circular flat tortilla shape using the rolling pin. Dust the surface, flatten it out. Do this with the other balls, and these can be then fried. The pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the tortillas. Now turn it over. Turn it over from side to side. Turn it over again. some oil on the tortilla. On the sides. Turn it over. And on the other side also. Turn it on. Once the tortilla is nicely fried, put in the tomato split pigeon pea mixture into the center. Fold. Turn it over. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. Do this with the next tortilla. Until all the tortillas are nicely made. This is the final. Tomato split pigeon pea tortilla roll. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most delicious of the taco recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tortilla recipes and one of the most unique of the pancake recipes and one of the most delicious of the wheat recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pea recipes and one of the most different of the pigeon pea recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.